Today's associate degrees fall into three main areas: the Associate of Arts, or AA, the Associate of Science, or AS, and the Associate of Applied Science, or AAS degrees. The Associate of Arts and the Associate of Science degrees are designed for students who want to transfer to a senior college or university to earn a bachelor's degree. These degrees don't focus on vocational skills, instead on a range of knowledge and skills necessary to succeed in a variety of situations. It's a degree that's designed to get the most of your basics completed and pave the way towards a bachelor's degree. Your Associate of Arts, or AA degree, is designed for guys and gals planning on pursuing a bachelor's degree in one of the liberal arts disciplines. You know, history, English, political science, and psychology, among many others. The AA is heavy on the arts and liberal arts, and is lighter on the maths and sciences. Now, the Associate of Science, or AS degree, is designed for those of us who want to pursue a bachelor's degree in areas such as mathematics, the sciences, or professional programs that require strong math or science backgrounds. So for this degree, you'll go a bit lighter on the liberal arts and load up on those maths and sciences. Now, Associate of Applied Science degrees, or AASs, train those go-getters to enter a specific career upon graduation. AAS degrees are very career-oriented and designed to give students the expertise needed for entry-level positions in a particular field. NWAC offers Associate of Applied Science degrees that prepare you for such fields as nursing, criminal justice, fire science, and paralegal studies. So, friends, you'll notice that this degree is made up of mostly professional courses related to a specific field of study, with a very limited number of general education courses. Because of this, AAS degrees are typically not designed to transfer to a bachelor's program. It is strongly recommended that if you're seeking to transfer to a four-year college or university, follow an Associate of Arts or an Associate of Science degree plan.